There are signs that God places over the lives of His chosen ones, signs that most people ignore, misunderstand, or even reject. But those who carry these marks feel them deeply. They show up in childhood, in relationships, in moments of silence, in seasons of suffering, and especially in the spiritual battles that only the chosen can see. If you recognize these 7 signs, it's because God has been calling you long before you realized it. The first mark is spiritual sensitivity. Chosen ones feel everything more intensely. They can sense atmospheres, hidden intentions, and spiritual shifts before they happen. When others feel nothing, the chosen ones feel everything. This isn't weakness, it's radar. God gives His chosen heightened perception because their mission requires deep discernment. You are never too emotional. You are spiritually awake in a world that is spiritually asleep. The second mark is isolation. Chosen ones are often set apart by force, not by choice. Friendships fall away, family misunderstands them. People leave without explanation. You feel different even in a room full of people. This isolation isn't punishment, it's preparation. God hides His strongest soldiers before He reveals them. When He isolates you, He is upgrading you. The third mark is spiritual warfare. Chosen ones face battles that make no sense. Attacks from every direction, night terrors, anxiety without cause, sudden losses, unexpected storms. The enemy fights you because he sees your potential long before you do. The level of your battle reveals the level of your calling. If your life has felt like non-stop resistance, it's because your destiny threatens darkness. The fourth mark is wisdom beyond your age. Chosen souls speak with depth they never studied. They understand truths they never learned. People come to them for advice without knowing why. This wisdom is not earthly, it is inherited. God equips His chosen with spiritual intelligence so they can guide others. You were not born to blend in, you were born to illuminate. The fifth mark is a restless spirit. Chosen ones can't tolerate empty routines, superficial conversations, or meaningless goals. They feel an inner pull, a pressure, a calling that won't let them settle. At times they feel like there is something they must do, someone they must become, someplace they must reach. That inner restlessness is the voice of God nudging you into purpose. The sixth mark is deep compassion. Chosen ones carry an unusually soft heart, even after being hurt repeatedly. They feel the pain of others. They want to help, heal, uplift, protect, restore. Their compassion is not weakness, it is their divine assignment. God uses their heart to touch lives that others overlook. Their kindness is their ministry. Their empathy is their spiritual weapon. The seventh and final mark is divine resilience. No matter how many times life breaks them, they rise again. They survive storms that would destroy others. They rebuild when there is nothing left. They keep faith when everyone else doubts. This resilience is supernatural. It is God's hand over their life. It is proof that they are never walking alone. Chosen ones fall, but they never stay down. If these 7 signs resonate with you, it's not an accident. God has been calling you, shaping you, and awakening you for a purpose far greater than anything you've lived so far. You were chosen not because you were perfect, but because you were willing. Not because you were the strongest, but because you were the one who would listen. The truth is simple. Chosen ones are not recognized by the world. They are recognized by heaven. Their path is not easy, but it is meaningful. Their battles are not random, but intentional. Their wounds are not signs of defeat, but proof of preparation. Everything you lived, everything you lost, everything you felt was part of your spiritual training. Many chosen ones also carry another hidden mark, a life filled with divine interruptions. Plans that fall apart suddenly. Doors that close at the last moment. Paths that shift without warning. To most people, this feels like bad luck, but for the chosen, it is divine redirection. God does not allow them to settle in places that are too small for their calling. Every delay, every detour, every unexpected turn was God protecting you from becoming someone you were never meant to be. Now it's time for you to rise, to step into the identity God placed inside you, to stop doubting, stop shrinking, and stop hiding who you really are. If these signs are yours, then your calling has already begun. And the world is waiting for the version of you that God always intended. Motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.